Hi everyone, today I would want to share some of the tips and information about breeding your cockatiels, which can be very challenging and it also can be very easy. Depends on the atmosphere you give them, it depends on the care, food, every single thing around them. To breed your cockatiel, we need to make sure that we have one breeding box. As you can see, is 8 by 10 and enough for them to sit inside and lay. We need to make sure we have one cuttlefish bone, one eggshell block, and some of the vitamins for them to drink with the water, which is really good for them to recover in the beginning, after, or during laying eggs. You make sure you give them natural atmosphere for them to think that they're not away from the nature, although they are, but you can try. Once your cockatiel are bound to each other, they will start mating, and the male will going in and out the box to prepare for the female to lay the eggs inside. 10 to 12 days after the first mating, female will lay egg. They normally lay 5 to 7 eggs in one clutch, but this female in this box laid 4 eggs on 17th of last month, and we have some hatches started yesterday. As you will see, if we open the box from here, you can see the female and the male is sitting in the cage, and they hatched one baby yesterday. They still have 3 eggs for them to hatch. Once the female lay eggs, she will take 19 to 21 days for them to start hatching, and I will prefer if we don't disturb them again and again, or if you do want to see them what's going on in the cage, and it is all is everybody is okay in the cage, or are all the eggs are alright. You can check every 5 to 7 days. Just slightly pick the box up, the lid up, and check them, but do not touch the eggs or do anything to them. You might crack them, or you might disturb the birds. So I hope it help you breeding your cockatiels. Hope you have good time with your cockatiels. Have a happy breeding, and bye.